here's how to download and install DirectX 12. The first method is to update Windows. Open the Start menu, search for Settings, and launch it. From the left panel, click Windows Update, then select Check for Updates at the top right. If any updates are available, download and install them. DirectX updates are usually included with Windows updates, so keeping your system up to date is the easiest way to get the latest supported version of DirectX. After the update is complete, you can check which version of DirectX is installed. Open the Start menu, search for Run, and launch it. In the Run dialog box, type DX and press Enter. If prompted, click Yes. In the DirectX Diagnostic tool, look at the bottom of the System tab. You'll see the installed DirectX version. If it shows DirectX 12, then your computer already has it installed. If your system doesn't show DirectX 12, you can try installing the DirectX runtime manually. Open your web browser and search for DirectX Web Installer. Open the official Microsoft website. Once it's loaded, download the installer. Once the download is complete, run the installer. When prompted, accept the license agreement and click Next. If you see an option to install the Bing bar, uncheck it, then click Next again. Wait for the installation to finish, then close the installer. After that, open the Run dialog again, type DX and press Enter. Check the DirectX version at the bottom of the System tab to confirm whether DirectX has been updated. Keep in mind that DirectX 12 is only supported on compatible versions of Windows and supported graphics hardware. If your computer doesn't support DirectX 12, installing the runtime alone won't upgrade it. And that's it. That's all for this video. Thanks.